inspection on this one, there was a foundation suit but completely empty. They weren't working on it at all.
When was that?
That would have been over a week ago, for 8 days I think. So let's see if they're moved up.
And which hive is this one then?
This was a swarm I caught from Hallen's ages ago.
Okay.
We'll see how busy they've been. If there's any...
Oh, that's a good thing, isn't it?
Yeah, they're not even... Just not enough bees up there.
No, still not now.
Yeah, there's still waiting for... That's okay, because... I'm going to take that off, I think. Pretty good though.
You're just going to take it off?
Yeah, I can use that on, I'm guessing. Another hive on here. Unless you need it. They're growing. No doubt. It's quite full, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
So that's come along all
So
right.
has it made any honey yet?
No.
No.
I mean, generally, I'll have a couple of swarms that I caught this year that will produce, I guess.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So look which ones have been there. So these are there, right. So this one is a daughter from the queen that was originally in that hive over there.
Which was, from
The
the lot.
capped queen cell they put in.
Yeah. What was that from the allotment, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We should have got a marker pen right on the top of all these.
Just imagine they're filling this up.
Yeah.
Stuff it down. It's interesting to say it's been over a week how busy they've been with all this weather. Wow.
So when did you put that on there?
It was empty. Just slowly started to work on it on a couple of frames. Look at it in it.
Yeah, it's
Just
only four, isn't it?
8 days.
Just 8 days.
It's unreal. Right, girls, I don't want to pull you around too much, don't worry.
So you really could put another super on top of that?
It needs another super, mate, yeah.
So what are you just doing that for then?
Just a look at frames, see how much are capped. Dad's super boxes, they don't mind them, do they?
No, I couldn't. That's all capped in there, isn't it?
I know, this is unreal.
Honey.
Look at that, you can smell it. Can you smell that? It smells lovely, mate, doesn't it? Can you smell that, honey?
Yeah.
I really smell it when I even put up, I can smell.
Well, that's...
Look at that. I mean, that's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful.
So it just shot. Well, this ain't really been there. This hive ain't been there that long, has it?
So this is this is a new virgin, was a virgin queen, or capped queen cell. She hatched out, and I said to you, I checked a couple of weeks ago, I think, didn't I? And she was laying, and they're just, I mean, look at that. I love it. It's a lovely sight.
I love them one of them frying things to come back. Where I'll scrape the honey off.
Yeah, I'll get you a
and left the middle of it so that you'll be able to rebuild on it.
Oh,
and one of them I cut up.
Oh yeah, if they're just the frame, they can build them out themselves.
Yeah, anyway, I suppose.
Because there's probably a bit of honey at the top of the frame, isn't there?
Yeah.
You see what I mean? So
Oh,
it's
well,
probably
you
a
know
little
the
bit.
middle bit, the wax bit, what that come with. I've been trying to scrape it off and leave that.
Oh, right, okay.
You can damage it a bit, but if I get it all left, that'll be just like putting in an empty
Yeah.
one, won't
If you put, there'll be some wax, honey underneath the
Yeah.
frame, the top frame. So a lot of people just put a starter strip, really thin layer of foundation,
Mm.
just at the top, and then they build it all down. And that obviously it takes time, but
It's all natural, isn't it?
see, the thing is, this is a good problem to have, but I've got one more super, and that is it.
What, ain't got no more in there? There's loads in there, look. Loads in that shed made up, isn't there?
Oh no, I mean super frames and that
Oh,
foundation.
yeah, I mean, yeah.
So the queen excluder isn't on, so I need to really put the queen excluder on.
Yeah, and then put another super on top. You're getting angry.
Yeah, I'll come back Wednesday, mate. I'm just gonna create problems there if I do it now.
Do you want to put that super on it then?
No, because I'm gonna use it on because there'll be other hives
Oh, what, with more desperate?
that are gonna. Yeah, I think so. But I can sort that out. Just don't worry. And I don't want to rush it because I've got no queen excluder on. She could. I mean, it don't look at. But she could be up in that super. There's
Yeah.
nothing stopping her.
No, I
So
know what you mean.
But I mean, I don't.
Even though it don't look like it, does it?
No, it doesn't. But I say I'll come back Wednesday when it's a bit cooler today. Right, let's see what they've done this one. So this one is full, so
This one is the one we put that queen in, that live queen in, isn't it?
yeah.
And that was, oh no, did you, was it alright with that one when we put it in live?
Yeah, it's fine, yeah.
Yeah, that's my, that's,
So they started drawing out
shows you,
in
right?
there,
Yeah.
and then I started to work on the outsides. I'll just leave it on.
Yeah.
It's fine.
This one, yeah.
So you think,
Well, I suppose all they do then is go around and glue it all back up, don't they? That's probably,
that's what I'm saying about when you keep inspecting them.
yeah.
You know, I think I made the right choice. That there's none swarmed as I just know that. Isn't it? It's not bad. Try, aren't we? Okay. I'll check this again Wednesday, and if they're not done too much, I'll take it off and just whack it on another fuller one. Bigger colony. You see a lot on the old